Morning, guys. Just wanted to do a quick update. I am on my way to city court this morning. They are doing the hearing or whatever for a probation violation, which I don't go to court for the actual charge until May, but they're going to go ahead and see about violating my probation on that charge now. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully I'll be able to update you guys in a couple hours. If not, Kim will be updating you. We'll have to see what happens. Thanks, Brian. Appreciate you. Hey, Clash. Thanks, Bama. Archer, I am going to court. They are trying to violate my probation. The charge that they arrested me for at the city police station, and they're trying to violate my probation for that. However, I don't go to court for that until May. I go to trial in May, but they're going to go ahead and violate my probation now and get me locked up. Oh, they provide those IMHO. They provide shower shoes. I know, Brian. Archer, they claimed they arrested me for public intox when they told me to come up to the police station to get my information. And I went up there. They claimed they smelled alcohol, and that's what they arrested me for. They did no alcohol test, nothing like that, but that's what they arrested me for, is public intox when I was at the police station trying to recover some information that Sergeant Neese told me to come get. Probation, IMHO. I have a court-appointed attorney, but he apparently has some severe health issues, which is, I'm sorry about that, but the last 3 times that I've been in court, it has been postponed because he's unable to attend. I've never met him. I've never spoken with him. I've left him a bunch of messages, but he's never returned any of my calls. Yes, they have provided me a public defender. However, because of the public defender's health issues, I've never been able to speak with him, and this case has been postponed twice so far. Right, Brian?
Hi, all.
Kim says hi, if you didn't hear her.
Thank you for joining.
Absolutely, Teresa. I get what they provided me. I don't know what's going to happen today. If he's too sick to come to court again today, will they postpone it again? Will they follow through and just say, okay, we have a police report that makes this claim, so we're violating you and throwing you in jail? I don't know what's going to happen. Yep. But like I said, either I will be, if I get to walk out of there, I'll be updating you in a couple hours, sometime this afternoon. Otherwise, Kim will Kim will do a live stream and let you know what happened. Teresa R., I've already pled not guilty. It's whatever the court dates are for after that we're having a problem getting done because of the health issues for the public defender. Hey, Bart Simpson's back. Wow, I haven't seen you in a while. Thanks, News Now BC. Yeah, this is basically the disorderly conduct from cussing out the cop back in May that I'm on probation for. So that's what this is about. They're saying I violated the probation I was on, and that's what's going on now. Court's at 9 a.m., which that's what time they tell everybody to be there, but normally you sit there for a couple hours as they shuffle through people. So yes, Brian, we will do that. But yeah, the notice said appear at 9 a.m., but they have just tons of people in there that they shuffle around and stuff, so it'll probably a couple hours, most likely. Police car sitting there already. There's the courthouse. They've already got a police officer sitting there. It is 8:30 here now.
Yeah.
8:30 a.m.
Before we go in, put your phone in the
Right.
glove box.
Yeah, I will. I'm gonna smoke a cigarette though. We're not allowed to take. I'm gonna have to, after I smoke my cigarette and get ready to go in, I'm gonna shut this off and lock up the phone. You're not allowed to take phones in the building. If you take phones in the building and they catch you with them, you're looking at 180 days for contempt of court. Thanks, Teresa R. Hey, Texas Oinker. Just a quick follow-up, just to let you all know what's going on. I go to court this morning for the probation violation, which I don't go to court for the actual charge until May, but they're trying to violate my probation now so they can lock me up.
Hi, Texas Winker.
Ooh, coffee's still hot. Yeah, Gary, I am. They're not going to get in my head. If they do lock me up, what I really need from you guys though is Kim needs help setting up. She couldn't figure out how to do it last time, but they have a video chat system where you pay $20 per month and the person can just use their cell phone from anywhere they are and chat with the inmate on a screen that's in the jail cells. She couldn't figure out how to do it last time, but if they lock me up or when they lock me up, if somebody could help Kim figure out how to get that going, because that's $20 per month to be able to video chat for up to a little over an hour each day. And when I was in before, because we couldn't figure out how to get that set up, it was costing us like $20-25 per day. So if somebody could help Kim figure out how to do that, that would be awesome.
Or just have my back.
I know, Brian Johnson. I haven't committed any crimes, but this is what they do. This is the courthouse I'm going into for the probation violation. I'll be up there on the 3rd floor in the courtroom. And that one over there is the one that I go to face the actual charge that these guys are violating my probation for. This is city court. That is county court. Okay, Brian.
I'm not looking forward to climbing them stairs this
Right.
early in the morning.
Right? Exactly, Brian King. They're just trying to, and I mean, I even have video evidence that this is something that they concocted to shut me up. I mean, several days before my arrest is when I made the video of the safety officer, Sabo, telling me he works at the jail and he's going to have me locked up pretty soon. And then 15 minutes later, they had our car stopped because an officer reported domestic violence going on in it. A couple days after that, they refused to answer my questions over the phone. They sent Sergeant Neese to my house. He told me he didn't have the answers. Come to the police station later and get them. He'd look it up. And when I went to the police station later, they gave me the runaround, and then they made up a lie that I was trying to break through their bulletproof glass and all kinds of stuff. It's hilarious. Well, that's not going to happen, Brian. I'm not making any deals with these guys. We're going all the way.
It sure don't feel like spring.
I agree with you there, Brian Johnson. I agree with you there. Like I've said before, guys, I'm just cannon fodder. I'm exposing the misdeeds and the ill treatment of the public, and hoping you guys see and can follow up on some of this.
We gotta get in there pretty soon.
Thank you, Brian. And again, a couple hours. Watch for the live stream from this phone. In a couple hours, it'll either be me or Kim. I appreciate y'all. Like I said, if they lock me up, please somebody help Kim figure out how to set up the video chat. It's $20 per month for 3 video chats per day of up to 40 minutes each. But it's confusing on how to set up and schedule and stuff, and she really needs help with that. Hey Albert, I'm getting ready to go in city court and face probation violation charges. Okay guys, I'm going to shut this down. Hopefully I'll be talking to you in the next hour or so. Thank you for being here.